What's up guys, Mitch from Panda Motorworks here, featuring the latest and greatest from Diode Dynamics, the SS3 LED Pod. These pods come in 4 different configurations featuring advanced TIR optic technology, come in 2 power output levels including Sport and Pro, also ranging from flush mount fitment to universal fitment, all the way up to confirmed fitment for 100 plus vehicles. Today you will be seeing us install these pods here on the Fiesta ST. Also have a set that's going to be going on the Ranger here, and let's get to it. The kit we have today is the SAE Fog Light Sport Series in yellow, also available in white. The kit we're looking at today starts at $200, but you can get kits as low as $180. Let's open it up and check it out. First impression of the light, you can see it's made of a very durable construction, and it's got the optics built straight into the lens. Let's pull off the side. Also included with the kit, we have our Type A brackets. As well as the brackets, you also have the pigtails and instructions to help you with install.
Hey guys, this is Nick Calroso from Diode Dynamics. We're here at the 2019 PRI show in our booth at 4042 in the Yellow Hall. Today we're talking about some of our new lighting options. You've probably heard about our new SS3 LED Pods. This is our newest product that we just released last month. It's available in all of our distributors, including Panda Motorworks. They have a big shipment on the way, which we're very happy about. This is a unique LED pod that we manufacture in St. Louis, Missouri. It took us about 2 years to develop. They're just now hitting the road. We have 4 different optic options, 2 of which are actually SAE compliant for road use. These are going to be direct replacement options for the Focus ST, for the Fiesta ST, the Mustang, and over 100 other vehicle applications. So they just drop right in. It's going to give you a really nice cutoff pattern for fog light use. You're not going to be blinding other people on the road. And that is due to our team's great engineering work behind the optic. So we're actually using a TIR optic. We're putting the entire LED inside of the optic itself, and this focuses all the light down the road. Some of the other options out there, they're basically going to have the LED sitting about this far away from the optic. There's a gap, and that light gets lost as glare and basically is blinding other people on the road. So that's something we really avoid with this optical design. So this is a big part of the diode difference with these, and this really makes a huge impact on the performance of the product. So retail pricing for the Sport is $180 a pair. We have a more powerful Pro model that retails for $300 a pair, and we have vehicle-specific kits available for over 100 applications. And come visit us at the PRI show. Ask us any questions you want. We're happy to answer any lighting questions. And check out Panda Motorworks, one of our authorized dealers, and we'll get you loaded up with some lumens. Thanks for joining us.